Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now I have log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 0. Now, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is equal to b times log a, because I can actually move this exponent b to the front of the logarithm. So this is actually an important property of logarithms, and I'm going to use this property on log 2 to the power of x. So I'm going to simply move this x to the front of the logarithm. So now I would have x times log 2 is equal to log 0. Now we want to isolate x, obviously, so I'm going to divide both sides by log 2. So then these two cancel out, and I would have x is equal to log 0 over log 2. However, log 0 over log 2, this is equal to, first off, log 2 is equal to 0.301. However, log 0, this is actually undefined. Log 0 is undefined, meaning x is also undefined, because you can't divide an undefined number over 0.0301. So this means that the value of x is undefined. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now 8, this is the same thing as 4 times 2, right? So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2. And now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, we could write this as a to the power of m to the power of n. Or we could also write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. It doesn't matter the order because they're both being multiplied, and multiplication order doesn't matter. So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 squared to the power of 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this would equal 2 to the power of 2 times 4. However, I am not going to do that. I'm simply going to solve what's in the parentheses. So 2 squared, and that is equal to 4. So now I have 4 to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of a. Now, if we have something in the form x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of y, and this means that x is equal to y as long as x is less than, or sorry, greater than or equal to 1. So in this case, a is equal to 4.